Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number, and the first way to block a number is by using the contact which is currently saved on your device. So you can do it from the contact list level, or you can do it using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the contact list. Let's open it, for example, using the dialer. Let's go to the contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, actually on the very first position of this opened list, we've got Add to Block List. So let's tap. Now your device is informing you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this contact, from this number. So if you are ready, just tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the information that this number has been immediately applied to the block list. Of course, you can unblock it the same way. You can just tap on Remove from Block List, but let's leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and as I said, right now I can show you the second way to block a number, and it is using the settings. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts or the recents. Just tap on the three dot icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. As you can see right here, we've got call blocking and block list, so let's enter. And here we've got three different options. So here you can customize the blocking option, so you can block the numbers which are not in contact list or block contacts from hidden numbers. It's up to you. You can activate those options just by tapping on those switchers. As I said, up to you. And here we've got our blacklist, so let's enter. And as you can see, here we've got the number we just blocked from our contact list, which means that the previous way also works. What's more, we can tap on it, tap on particular number, and here we can customize it. So we can, as you can see, block calls and the text messages. We can block only the calls. We can view the contact or remove it from the block list. And that's how to check previously blocked numbers. And here from this level, we can also add the number to a block list manually, which simply means that we have to tap on this plus icon. And as you can see, we've got the option choose from contacts and from recent call logs. And this option will actually work a little bit different than the previous one, because as you can see, after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your contacts and you can mark a lot of contacts if you want to block them. So it's slightly different than the previous way, let's say manual way, but the option I'd like to focus on is here, enter a number, which simply means that you don't have to have the number saved on your contacts or have it on your call logs. You can just enter it. So let's tap on the keypad, tap on OK. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. And the same situation, after tapping on it, you can decide if you want to block calls and text messages or block calls only. So basically, that's how it works. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them from the blacklist. I assume that we can tap and hold. No, unfortunately not. We have to do it manually. So we have to remove them one by one. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.